everyone, this is Horatiu from KP Imobilien together with Eugen Mandes from Wert. We are in Romania, Constanta, one of the very first Romanian project with the new click-on solution Ascent 1.1 from Clenergy. And we are proud that together with Eugen we started and finalized this project, and we will ask Eugen to say several words about the installation and how things work with Clenergy Ascent 1.1 system.
Hello, my name is Eugen Mandes. I'm from Wert Electrical, Constanta. We are an electrical firm specialized in electrical installations and photovoltaic installations. This is our first time when we tried and installed a Clenergy system. Lucky for us, the supplier recommended us the 1.1 system. We found it very easy to install. It was with no screws, no problems. It took only a few days for the installation of 205 kilowatts to be installed, 360 panels.
How many persons, how big was the team that installed it?
The team that installed it was like 4 to 6 people, depending on the day.
Full day?
Full day, 8 hours of work.
Okay, and which is your, will you continue work with Clenergy?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.